So, Nobel Prize in Pharmacology. In this lecture, we'll discuss only the Nobel Prizes related with the pharmacology. The heading is NPPM, that is Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. But we'll not discuss about the Physiology Nobel Prize and Medicine. In this portion, we'll study the Nobel Prize which was awarded to the pharmacologist or which are related with the pharmacology. So I have divided this Nobel Prize winner in three parts: 1900 to 1950, 1950 to 2000, and from 2000 to 2024. So first we'll see the first 50 years Nobel Prize winners in the field of pharmacology. So in 1923, as we have studied, Banting and Best extract insulin, but that extraction was limited to these two persons, Banting and Best. But Nobel Prize of 1923, it was awarded to Banting and MacLeod. So Nobel Prize was not awarded to the Best. So remember Banting and MacLeod for the discovery of insulin. 1936, Henry Dale and Otto Loewi for the discovery of chemical transmission in nerves, that is the chemical transmission of the nerve impulses. 1939, Domag for the discovery of the prodrug which is known as Prontosil. 1945 Nobel Prize that was related with the discovery of penicillin. It was awarded to three. One is Fleming, Chain and Florey, that is discovery of penicillin and its curative effect. 1948 Paul Muller for the discovery of DDT. 1950s Kendall, Richstein and Hens, they were awarded Nobel Prize of 1950 for the discovery of study of hormones of adrenal cortex, not medulla, adrenal cortex, their structure and their biological effect. So these are the 6 Nobel Prize related somehow with the pharmacology. Next we'll see from 1950 to 2000. So 1950 to 2000, there are 10 Nobel Prize winners in pharmacology. First is 1952, that Nobel Prize for the antibiotic streptomycin, Sej, Buzzi and Salman Waxman. These three was awarded with the Nobel Prize for discovery of antibiotic streptomycin. 1970, Euler, Kurtz and Axelrod for the discovery of humoral transmitters in nerve terminal, their storage, their release and inactivation. 1971, William Sutherland for the discovery of mechanism of action of hormones and cyclic AMP as a second messenger. 1977, Gilman and Shelley for the discovery of peptide hormones production in the brain. 1982, Bergstrom, Samuelson and Wayne for the discovery of prostaglandins and their importance. 1988, James Black, Helion Hitchings for the discovery of important principles for drug treatment, and their research was on anti-metabolites like allopurinol, acyclovir, azathioprine. So these were the research on anti-metabolite, mainly purine metabolite. 91 Nobel Prize, Neher and Sackman for discovery of single ion channel, that could be for sodium ion channel, potassium, that is single ion channel for single ion. 94 Nobel Prize is very important because in medical there is one reference book on pharmacology that is written by Goodman and Gilman. So remember the name Gilman and Rodbell. There is no Goodman, as that book is authored by Goodman and Gilman, but the Nobel Prize of 94 that was awarded to only Gilman, not Goodman. So Gilman and Rodbell for the discovery of G proteins as in the signaling mechanism of G protein coupled receptor, discovery of G protein signaling. Then 98 Nobel Prize goes to Farshgot, Ignero and Murad for the discovery of nitric oxide as a signaling molecule in the regulation of the blood pressure. The nitric oxide molecule play important regulatory role. Then 2000 Marshall and Robin for the discovery of one bacterium known as Helicobacter pylori and its role in gastritis and peptic ulcer disease. So the discovery of this bacteria H. pylori and role in gastritis and peptic ulcer disease. So these were 10 Nobel Prize winners from 1950 to 2000. Next we'll see the 2000 to 24 Nobel Prize winner in pharmacology. 2000 Nobel Prize Carlson, Greengard and Kendall for the discovery of signal transduction in the nervous system. 2005 Marshall and Robin Barron for Helicobacter pylori and its role in gastritis and peptic ulcer disease. 2015 UU2 for the discovery of novel therapy against malaria. 2018 is Ellison and Honjo for the discovery of cancer therapy with negative immune modulation. 20 Holter, Hookton and Rice for the discovery of hepatitis C virus. 23 Carrico and Wiseman for the discovery of nucleoside based modification and development of mRNA vaccine against COVID-19. 24 The latest Nobel Prize winner was Ambrose and Roken for the discovery of microRNA and its role in post-transcription gene regulation. So this is the latest Nobel Prize 24 for the discovery of microRNA and role of microRNA in post-transcriptional gene regulation. So these were the Nobel Prize in related with the pharmacology, and their heading, there is no Nobel Prize in pharmacology, but they are awarded under the heading of Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, that is NPPM.